Very good morning, students. Yes. So today we are going to learn about birds and insects. What is birds and what is insects? Right? Yes. First topic is birds. What is birds? Animals that have wings. Wings means punk. Animals have wings and feathers. Feathers. जिसके पंख होते हैं, feathers होते हैं, are called birds. Are called birds, right? Animals that have wings and feathers are called birds. And most birds can fly. Most of the birds can fly. उड़ सकती हैं. Can fly. And birds eat with their beaks. Right? Birds किससे खाती है? अपनी चोंच से खाती हैं. Birds eat with their beaks. And they do not have teeth. Birds के teeth नहीं होते हैं. They do not have teeth. They do not have teeth. Right? And they have how many legs? They have 2 legs. Right? Birds are crow. Second is parrot. 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 Pigeon. Sparrow. Right? Second is insect. Topic is insect. Insects means कीड़े मकोड़े. What is insects? Insects are very small animals. Insects are very small animals. With how many legs? With 6 legs. And insects with wings can fly. कुछ insects के wings होते हैं जिससे वो उड़ती हैं. Insects with wings can fly. Insects are like mosquito. Mosquito means मच्छर. Housefly. Second one is butterfly. Fourth one is ant. And sixth one is cockroach. Okay? Yes. Thank you so much class and have a nice day.